Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fortnite gift card using iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to redeem your Fortnite gift card on your mobile device, tap open your Safari. If you're using an Android, you can open up a Google Chrome as well. Now, in the web address bar, go to the official website of Fortnite, or you can also open up your game on your mobile device if it's already downloaded. Type in www.epicgames.com/Fortnite and make your search. You'll end up in this page, which looks like this. Choose sign in with Epic Games option as soon as you end up in this page. Now, enter your Epic Games account information, that is your email address followed by your password, into the respective text boxes. Now type in your password on the next field. Finally click on log in now and you'll be logged in right away. Tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner and from the options displayed, select V-Bucks. From this page, click on Get Started. Enter your redemption code into the text box where it says enter your code. Once you enter your code, tap on the next button at the bottom, and doing this will help you redeem your gift code for Fortnite on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.